This video is about standard form of a polynomial. Okay, let's take a look at the definition. The standard form of a polynomial of degree n in the variable x. So this is a polynomial with a single variable, which is a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1 plus and so on plus a sub 2 x raised to n or squared rather plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. A sub n is not equal to 0 and n is a non-negative integer where a sub n is the leading coefficient and a sub 0 is the constant term or simply constant. Now, to get an easier grasp on the definition of a standard form of a polynomial, let's have examples. Okay, a polynomial is in standard form when the terms are written in descending powers of the variables. When we say descending, it is in decreasing order. So from the highest power down to the lowest power of that variable. Okay, example 1, 3x cubed plus x raised to 4 plus x minus 4 minus 2x squared. So let us examine the exponents of the variable x. 3, 4, 1, 0, 2. So obviously, the exponents or the powers of the variable x are not in descending order. So let us arrange them to make the polynomial a standard form. So the highest power is 4, so that will be the leading term. So copy x raised to 4 and then followed by cube. So that is plus 3x cubed. Then next is power of 2, negative 2x squared, followed by raised to 1, that is plus x, and then minus 4. Minus 4 is or has the variable with the lowest power, which is 0. That is, you can rewrite that in to negative 4x raised to 0. Or simply negative 4 is the last term, which is also the constant term. So that's the polynomial in standard form. So as you can see, the powers of x are in descending order now. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Another example, 8 minus x squared plus 11x cubed minus 2x raised to 5 plus 6x. So the powers of the variables, you have 0, 2, 3, 5, 1. Obviously, they are not arranged in descending order. So let us write them in descending by identifying the highest power of the variable, the term with the highest power of that variable x. So it's negative 2x raised to 5, and then followed by, so there's no power of 4, so the next one is plus 11x cubed and then minus x squared, then plus 6x, and then the constant term plus 8. So the standard form is negative 2x raised to 5 plus 11x cubed minus x squared plus 6x plus 8. You don't need to write the missing term, which is power 4, because it is not needed. But sometimes there are situations that you need to place the missing term with a 0. Okay, so another example, negative 10x minus 1 minus 6x squared minus x cubed. So they are not actually, yeah, the powers are not arranged in descending. So let us identify the power with the highest power of x, and that is cube, and that's the leading term, negative x cubed, followed by power of 2, negative 6x squared, and then followed by negative 10x, and then the constant term, negative 1. So that's the polynomial in standard form. Another one, x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 7x raised to 6 minus 4x cubed plus 12x. So the highest power of x is 6, so the leading term is 7x raised to 6. So let us write there. Then followed by power of 5, we have x raised to 5 plus x raised to 5, that's positive, and then negative 3x raised to 4, and then negative 4x cubed, and then plus 12x. So there's no constant term. Therefore, this is the standard form of the given polynomial. Alright, that's it. A video related to identifying leading term, degree, leading coefficient, and constant term is available in this channel. Bye!